I've now been switching part of my Solana into SUI, SUI. And as a disclaimer, I'm actually on the board of the foundation, but it's like the next big chosen one. It's the group that came out of Facebook that built Facebook Leap. No investment comes without risk. Crypto comes with that risk, the risk that governments will try and shut it down, even though they've tried and it's like a cockroach because it's distributed and it's everywhere. Yeah, there's the risk that the blockchain you invest in becomes less valuable. There is the cyclicality of this asset that can fall 70%, 80% every 4 years. You have to deal with that. There's the risk that you lose your coins. There's all the risks in the world, and that's why you get paid the return. So there is no certainty in this world. I live in a probabilistic world. But if you can show me the world is going to be less digital than today, and you can show me a better way of dealing with a lot of these structural problems that we have, and you can show me that the community, the groundswell of individuals, don't forget, this is driven by individuals. We've front run the institutions. The institutions weren't allowed to invest in it, but we've been able to put our money in before they did. We've created it. If I see any of those factors changing, then I'll worry about it.
Excitement is dominating the market as Dogecoin and SUI are on the verge of exploding in this bull run. Doge is approaching a rare golden cross, while SUI is on the verge of an all-time high. Still, Intel Markets, INTL, is leading the profit battle with a massive $1.6 million pre-sale surge. Investors are eager to turn their attention to this emerging AI marvel, eyeing its growth potential and explosive return on investment. Thanks to its recent uptrend, Dogecoin has generated around 5.46 million Dogecoin addresses in profit. As a percentage, this represents over 85% of the addresses tracked by the platform. On October 31st, an analyst discovered a rare move that positioned Dogecoin to hit a potential golden cross. According to the expert's interpretation, this situation is a chart pattern where the short-term moving average surpasses the long-term moving average to give a bullish index. SUI is one of the top cryptocurrencies that has seen green charts recently. According to Raoul Pal, 2025 might be the year to get 100x with the next Solana. Before we move forward, if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto events and news, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now let's get back to Raoul Pal's view on Solana and the overall crypto market.
The game is the game, and you have to play the game. So maybe you don't have thousands to invest. I've seen many, many people in markets like crypto go from $500 to $500,000. Now, there's a lot of people who don't either, but all I'm saying is the opportunity is there. You don't need to have huge savings. You just need to focus on what you're doing, understand how to manage risks a bit, and how to look for opportunities. And it's the self-teaching is, how do I become that guy who's got a $500,000 portfolio, considering I've only got $500 today or $1,000 today? It's happening again right now in meme coins. This is fascinating. The S&P 500, that grows at about 10% a year, 11% a year. Okay, then we go to technology stocks. NASDAQ does about 18% a year. Okay, that's starting to add up. Bitcoin, since 2011, been 145% a year.
An altcoin in the SUI ecosystem is soaring after suddenly gaining support from Binance. In a new announcement, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume says it will add trading support for Strategist, a decentralized exchange, DEX, and liquidity protocol centered on the SUI blockchain. According to Binance, Strategist is opening up to spot trading as well as futures on the USDT trading pair. News of the listing sent Strategist, the project's native asset, soaring. Strategist rose to a high of 0.341 on Tuesday, up from the low 0.0163 on Monday, a gain of 109%. Binance applies a seed tag to Strategist, which the exchange applies to low liquidity projects that may exhibit higher volatility compared to other listed tokens. Binance requires users holding seed-tagged assets to test every 90 days to ensure they are aware of the risks before trading the tokens. According to the project's official website, Strategist is designed to be used solely as an interoperable utility token. Users can obtain it through liquidity mining on Strategist. Cetus is a multi-unity functional token that will be used as a medium of exchange between participants on Cetus in a decentralized manner. The goal of introducing Cetus is to provide a convenient and secure mode of payment and settlement between participants interacting with the Cetus ecosystem without any intermediaries such as third-party centralized entities, institutions, and creditors. The Sui blockchain is booming, surpassing Solana and Ethereum in net flows and showing massive growth across the board. With new accounts on the Sui network up 5% last week, it's clear that Sui is quickly gaining momentum. Meanwhile, the total value locked in Sui skyrocketed to $1.074 billion, up from just $300 million in August, highlighting the growing confidence in the network's potential. Amidst this surge, one meme coin is capturing the attention of both new and seasoned investors, SuiRum. As the first meme coin on the Sui blockchain, SuiRum is rewriting the rules of tokenomics and community crypto projects. SuiRum is not just another meme coin, it's a movement with a unique deflationary mechanism. SuiRum reduces its total supply with every transaction, increasing scarcity and creating real value for its holders. SuiRum is not just a token, it's a community-driven revolution. Its deflationary design, vibrant community, and fair distribution model set it apart from many other tokens on the market. With whales and early investors already on board, this project has all the assets to become an essential feature of the Sui ecosystem. Financial guru and major Bitcoin investor Robert Kiyosaki posted a tweet just before Bitcoin hit a new all-time high price of $77,252. Kiyosaki's claim about Bitcoin is that he keeps buying at $76,000. The savvy investor, who according to his current tweet owns a lot of income-producing real estate and owns gold mines, mentioned that most people would rather not take risks. Now they say Bitcoin, gold, and silver are too expensive. Kiyosaki reveals his holdings and pledges to buy more Bitcoin. Kiyosaki revealed that he had started accumulating silver when it was trading at $1 an ounce and continues to buy it now that it has hit $32. The same story applies to gold and Bitcoin, which he started buying when Bitcoin was at $6,000. He continued to buy it when Bitcoin was worth $76,000 before it hit the most recent all-time high. He always refers to Bitcoin, silver, and gold as real money as opposed to the US dollar, which he calls fake money. Kiyosaki owns 73 Bitcoin worth $5,588,095. In a year, Kiyosaki said he plans to buy more and own 100 Bitcoins, regardless of the price. The year 2024 started with a significant boost for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, generating excitement among crypto enthusiasts. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, has gone through a tumultuous period, losing around 65% of its market value over the past year. Bitcoin has reached impressive heights, surpassing its all-time high of $69,170 on March 8, 2024, reaching $70,083. Subsequently, on March 14, 2024, Bitcoin surpassed its previous peak again, reaching $73,750,000. This surge boosted its market cap to $1.44 trillion, contributing to the overall cryptocurrency market cap of $2.77 trillion, reflecting exceptional performance. The Bitcoin price prediction of $120,000 by the end of 2024 highlights the growing confidence in Bitcoin's potential.